Are you getting interested in t-shirt and jersey printing business but scared that they may be a hassle for you? There is nothing like that. Owning a printing business brings a lot of fun in your life and makes you more creative. However, for starting a sublimation printer for t-shirts, first thing you need to have is a best sublimation printer.
We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET4760 printer. Just like Epson EcoTank models, Epson EcoTank ET4760 is also the best sublimation printer for t-shirts. If you want to buy a faster speed printer but at an affordable cost, then this EcoTank printer will be an ideal choice for you. Printer comes featured with automatic dual-sided printing that provides you with borderless prints, as it belongs to EcoTank series. So you must have known until now that this printer doesn't use ink cartridges but works on ink tanks, so it will save you a lot of your time and time required for maintenance. You will get revolutionary cartridge-free ink solution which will last for a longer time and provides you ease of refilling them. Therefore, you wouldn't have to worry about running out of ink and spending a large amount of money to replace them. Every bottle of ink tank contains more than enough quantity of ink which can easily be used to fill at least 80 ink cartridges, which shows that you can keep working on one time of ink refilling for a longer time. ET4760 has equipped with huge variety of modern features, such as for connectivity options. You will get to connect your printer wirelessly with your device to make prints on your shirts. You can also enjoy printing using its voice-activated operation. This printer is designed in a classy and modular design, making it visually appealing in the very first glance. It can be your perfect companion for your office needs with its extraordinary capabilities. Number 2. Workforce WF7710 printer. With Workforce WF7710 it will be easier for you to make quick prints for the sublimation printing for shirts. Even if it provides you prints pretty fast, but it doesn't mean there you will find any compromise on the image quality. You can also consider it as a best heat transfer sublimation printers for t-shirts. So if you are getting interested in it for your sublimation t-shirt printing business, then you will never going to regret buying this printer. One impressive thing I have found in this printer is that WF7710 works on inkjet printing technology, enabling you to have performance beyond lasers. Along with the amazing technology, printer also features the automatic dual-sided printing that works well for all function including scanning, faxing and copying. WF7710 has a user-friendly interface, so it will be easier for you to operate without any difficulties. You will get the option to print on various types of paper and paper sizes according to your liking. It is also a budget-friendly printer with higher quality printed images that works with 80% less consumption power than other inkjet printers. Furthermore, this printer also features a color touch screen which makes handling and navigating your printing features easier for you. If you are looking for a printer to make sure that supports something beyond standard sizes of printing images, also have faster printing speed but extremely high printing quality, then this printer is just perfect for you. It doesn't matter that if you are beginner in this field or an expert doing this for a longer time, WF7710 will be ideal for you in both cases. Number 3. Epson Workforce Pro WF7820 printer. Epson Workforce series features several efficient sublimation printers that can be used as sublimation printer for t-shirts, but WF7820 is best one from all of them. The printer works on precision core technology, enabling you to get higher speed prints of 26 parts per million, which makes it quite impressive. WF7820 comes equipped with an ADF or automatic document feeder and auto duplexing along with the 250 sheets paper capacity, so it will be easier for you to handle heavy workload. These features also ensure the increase of productivity for your business needs and provide raise to your businesses. Printer comes along with 4.3 inches touchscreen that makes navigations a lot easier for you. To further enhancements in your productivity, you can download Epson's app, providing you with the ease of accessing and making prints more quickly. You can connect your printer with your mobile phone easily through several connectivity options including Wi-Fi. This will enable you to take your print within seconds after making the successful connection. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2750 Printer. Epson ET2750 is one of the best Epson EcoTank printers and doesn't only works great for printing but also works well as a sublimation printer. This photo printer has all the capabilities to be used as sublimation printing for shirts, as it provides you with sharp and smooth images on your t-shirts. Additionally, if you are buying this with the mind to use it for printing on shirts, then I would recommend you to purchase high-definition ink with it. Get your fabric prints more easily. Just like previously mentioned printer, it also supports wireless printing option, enabling you to take prints from your smartphones within no time. Although it has such amazing features, but still it doesn't cost you your fortune, as it is available in affordable rates. Another great thing is its voice-activating printing, as it makes printing a lot easier for you, but at the same time it might be tedious for you as well. In the printer you will find a touch screen which is big enough to use comfortably. It is a multifunctional machine, so along with printing you will also get to use scanner for scanning your documents. Also, ET2750 comes with automatic printing option, so you don't have to check it every time before taking prints on both sides. Number 5. Brother MFC J995DW Inkjet Printer. Brother is a renowned brand that features high-quality printers, and among all, Brother MFC J995DW is the best inkjet printer for small business. MFC J995DW is a budget-friendly printer that comes with enough ink to be used for a home printer, and it can last for longer than a year. It also includes automatically two-sided printing option, allowing you to handle 5,000 pages per month easily. You can easily print on your shirts using your smartphones. This print Orion easy-to-operate machine, so replacing ink cartridges and refilling paper trays will not be difficult for you in any way. Also, cartridges are tucked in the tank in a way to make sure that you are getting higher quality prints. As it is a compact printer with a light weight, so it will be easier for you to move around with you. Although it has a small size, but it doesn't mean it will also have lower paper handling capacity, as its main tray can handle 100 sheets at a time. Despite good things, there are also some other things which I don't find good in this printer, such as its printing speed, which takes more time to make print comparatively to other one. Number 6. HP Envy Photo 7855 Printer. HP Envy Photo 7855 will be ideal choices for people looking for the best sublimation printer for jerseys that will make your business grow within no time. This printer enables you to have your print with a faster speed which doesn't take more than 5 seconds. You can print on all types of fabrics with this printer, and also can get customizable prints on your t-shirts and jerseys with different texts, fonts, characters and whatnot. Furthermore, Envy 7855 is a multifunctional printer that enables you to do scan, fax, and copy your documents. You can even do wireless and borderless printing with this. It is a quite affordable sublimation printer, and if you are using it with HP Instant Ink, the operation costs will also become low for you. To enhance your creativity, this printer allows you to do whatever you want, whether it is sublimating on sublimation sheets or heat press on your jerseys and shirts. With the AirPrint you can easily with your iPhone if you are an Apple user. It also offers you with wireless connectivity to make your work easier for you. Number 7. HP Envy 6455E Printer. If you are looking forward to buy the best sublimation printers for the t-shirt business to start your shirt printing business, then this HP Envy 6455E will be perfect for you. This HP printer undoubtedly comes with a higher performance with a faster speed, which makes it perfect for both business and home usage. Envy 6455E enables you to print surprisingly impressive and creative prints in the way you want them to be. You can use this printer for multi-purpose, such as for copying, printing, faxing and scanning documents. It features an automatic dual-sided printing which speeds up the printing process. With this printer you will be able to print all kinds of characters and texts that you want to be printed on your shirts and jerseys. Therefore, I have found this a perfect choice for printing businesses related to jerseys, t-shirts, sack or other fabrics. The HP Envy Pro 6455 and 6455E almost have all similar features. Expect 1. HP Envy Pro 6455E comes with a 6 months free printing on any ink HP Instant Ink plans. Also gets additional 1-year warranty than HP Envy Pro 6455.